Scooch a little bit closer, maybe.
Yeah.
Thank you. And that extra inch actually saves my low back. A little bit lower down, I feel.
Yeah,
on this
right
side.
there.
Right, good. Just like that. There we go. The muscle of the lateral pterygoid connects directly into the disc of the TMJ. So how do we release that? We glove up, hand goes in the mouth right into the TMJ region. We take this guy, we can vibrate the bone on bone to get that muscle released. Okay, I'm gonna find that muscle. That's it there. Okay, how you do that's tender right there, just having a finger on it. 30 seconds, starting about now.